Are you in the market for a reliable and affordable laptop that won't break the bank? Look no further than Acer Aspire Lite 14. In this video, we'll explore the top 3 reasons why you should consider this budget-friendly device. Reason number 1. Budget-friendly performance. One of the most compelling reasons to choose the Acer Aspire Lite 14 is its impressive performance for the price. Equipped with a powerful Intel Core i3 processor, ample RAM, and fast SSD, this laptop can handle a wide range of tasks with ease. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone who needs a reliable machine for everyday use, the Aspire Lite 14 delivers exceptional value. You'll be able to browse the web, edit documents, stream video, and even play some casual games without any significant lag. Reason number 2. Compact and portable design. Another great feature of the Aspire Lite 14 is its compact and portable design. With its slim profile and lightweight construction, this laptop is easy to carry around, making it ideal for students, commuters, or anyone who is constantly on the go. Whether you're taking it to class, to office, or simply using it on your couch, the Aspire Lite 14 won't weigh you down. Its portability allows you to stay productive and connected wherever you go. Reason number 3. Long-lasting battery life. One of the most important factors to consider when you're choosing a laptop is battery life. The Aspire Lite 14 excels in this area, offering a decent battery life that can keep you going for hours on a single charge. Whether you're working on a project, watching movies, or simply browsing the web, you can rely on the Aspire Lite 14 to keep you going without the need for frequent recharging. This makes it a great choice for students, professionals, and anyone who needs a laptop that can keep up with their busy lifestyle. In conclusion, the Acer Aspire Lite 14 is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a reliable, affordable, and portable laptop with its impressive performance, compact design, and long-lasting battery life. This device offers excellent value for money. If you're in the market for a new laptop, be sure to consider the Aspire Lite 14. Okay, if you like this video, don't forget to click like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more tech review and recommendation. And yes, if you have any question about this laptop or any other device, feel free to leave a comment below. Bye.